Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix skin color problem. Friends, you have guys your skin color problem means guys your skin color has changed. So how to fix skin color problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, you can see when I use YouTube app guys, any app, friends, my YouTube screen guys show this interface. Friends, you can see. So how can I solve this problem? So the same problem guys you have on your Realme phone. So how to fix this problem, the friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So friends, first of all you will have to on guys your phone setting, then guys you can fix this problem. After on phone setting, friends, scroll it. Friends, click on additional setting. After on additional setting, friends, click on accessibility. After on guys accessibility setting, friends, you can see there are many settings guys: color correction, magnification, color accessibility mode. Friends, this option color inversion, when you will have to only tap here as your problem will fix. And friends, now you can use your YouTube app, you can use guys any app without skin color problem. Friends, you can see. So like that guy we can fix a screen color problem on our Realme phone device guys. And guys you can fix this problem with shortcut setting also. Click on phone setting and guys click on search option, color setting guys, color in version. Friends, you can see color inversion, tap here and get direct. You want to use get this setting, so you can on, and friends you can use this setting on your Realme phone. But guys you don't know about this color inversion, so how to fix phone additional setting guys, tap here and guys your problem will fix. You can use your phone without any skin color problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Bye bye friends.